Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, today we're gonna get one of our apps completed on the Yard Mastery app. Yeah, that's right. It's calling for Compaction Cure. Well, you know what? I didn't buy the Compaction Cure yet, but that is comprised of RGS and AIR8. So guess what? I got some RGS left that I need to get rid of anyway. So let's spray down some RGS. Check out my lawn. Looks pretty patchy. Got some nice chunks of green, but also have some chunks of what I would like to call compaction, or some nasty, funky thatch from that frost from the winter. Look at that. It's all moist and damp and matted down. This RGS should go deep in after we water it in and get those roots growing nice and deep and push some new growth through that thatch. Let's get to it. RGS stands for Root Growth Stimulant, and that's exactly what it's going to do. So what I have done today is I'm going to put 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. This particular section of my yard is about 3,000 square feet. And then I'm going to dilute it about 7 to 1. So I'm going to fill it up about 3 gallons of water. And I'm going to spray it down. And then once I'm all finished doing all the sections of my yard, I'm going to make sure to water it in thoroughly, about a good 1/4 of an inch in. Here we go. 6 ounces per 1,000 times 3,000 square feet. So that's about 3 cups, 3 6-ounce cups that I'm pouring in there. Seven to 1 water dilution. So that's about 3 gallons of water. So, with my Yard Mastery tank sprayer, I prefer to use the white tip, which is the flood zone tip, because this one gives a lot more flow and lets that RGS flow right into the soil, nice and deep. I also like to set number 2 power setting on the Yard Mastery tank sprayer, which is the lower pressure one. I don't need to have the full pressure. Also, the lower PSI gives me a little bit more room or margin of error. So if I'm too slow or too fast, it will make up for that, and I can get thorough coverage in my walking speed. If I can just say a shout out to Yard Mastery, Greene County Farms, and of course, Kujo, who makes the pants and the shoes that I'm wearing. These pants and shoes are pretty badass for this type of yard work. Waterproof, sweatproof, very, very nice.